So, guys, let's start a tour that how FB Auto Poster works. So, this is the dashboard of FB Auto Poster. You can manage the script from here. First, you need to add Facebook account, and I tell you that it is very easy. Just click on here on Facebook account and then it will show you your existing accounts. So these are the existing accounts, or you can add a new account from here. Yes, of course you can add unlimited accounts. I want to repeat, you can add unlimited accounts. So let's start the most amazing part of this script. Let's import your Facebook pages and Facebook groups here automatically in single clicks. Yes, just click on the renew access button and it will automatically import all your Facebook pages, and of course you can add unlimited groups here. Here you can choose which group you want to import or which you want to not, you don't want to. So import selected groups, or you can leave it. If you want to leave, you can leave them. So import selected groups. So 22 groups were successfully imported. And yes, you can add more group later. It's up to you. If you want to add more group, you can. So now you can see here your groups. These are your groups which we imported recently. Isn't it beautiful? And these are your fan pages. So now come back to the dashboard. You can see the entire Facebook group by clicking here. So this is the save post area. Here you can save your messages, ads which you want to post on Facebook group. So click here and you can see here I have already added some messages and my post. So just create a new list and give the name and the description and create the list. So now add button and paste your message here, whatever you want to post. Hi, I am trying dynamic FB Auto Poster. Please visit here www.google.com and just save message. Your message has been saved. So it is up to you that what you want to post, an image, a link, or a simple text. It will post a real size image and link with preview, with full preview. Now smile. So now let's create a new campaign. Click here, create a new campaign, give the campaign name. It will tell you that the campaign name is already exist. So now this name is available. Choose your Facebook account. Right now I have added only one, and when you add more account you can choose it here. So where you want to post on Facebook fan pages, then you can click here, or if you want to post on groups you can select here, and you will in which group you want to post you can choose. You have all the freedom. If you don't want this group you can. So here you can message list to choose. Here you can choose your message list where we choose the message which we saved earlier. So choose whether message will be posted consecutively or randomly. Now campaign enabled by default, yes or no. And now this is the most important and most dynamic feature of this script, and you can say this is the backbone of this script. Yes, you can schedule your campaign here and you have a lot of freedom. One message every, you say 1 minute, you can 5 minutes, you can set it 10 minutes, you can set it 20 minutes, it's up to you. 120 minutes, it's up to you. One message every per hour, one message a day, one message every month on day 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 25th. It's up to you where you want, what you want to select. One message every week on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's your choice. One message on specific date you can. It's up to you. So isn't it beautiful? So you can choose the time or the date or the hour or even the minutes from here for your schedule posting. So with the freedom of FB Auto Poster, you can post to thousands of Facebook groups on autopilot even when your computer is off. Isn't it a miracle? And yes, of course, you can add unlimited campaign. And here you can see your existing campaigns. So this is existing campaigns. So you can see here script database, con job command, logs, and instant post. Yeah, this is another most important feature. So the auto FB Auto Poster is loaded with useful features, each one with its own meaningful purpose. We'll listen to our user and integrate their features request on the regular basis. FB Auto Share is not only built by us but also by our users. So this is the instant post. You can post instantly from here. Insert your message from message list. So here you can choose your message list, or you can type your message here and post now. It's a simple, no need to worry. So guys, I hope you love our Facebook Auto Poster, isn't